Twinkle, twinkle, preschool star, how we wonder who you are. Allison, are you here today? Stand up tall and then we'll say, welcome, welcome, preschool star. We are glad you're who you are. It's you, it's you. Are you excited today? Is this your name? Yeah, we have a big name on here today, huh? Lots of times, you'll have to tell me in a little bit. Okay, we're talking about Allison now. Lots of times we call Allison Allie in class, but she has a big name too, and her big name is Allison. If you shorten it up like this, you can get Allie, but you put the son at the end, and that's her big name. That when she was a baby, her mommy and daddy picked for her. Some of us have big names and use our short names. Some people just have a short name. You have to wait until Maddie gets out of the bathroom. So Allison, you're a special helper today, huh? Did you bring snacks today? Good job.